Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I received an email from a YouTube shopping affiliate program. I've downloaded a YouTube Studio via Play Store. And pumunta tayo sa aking channel and particularly sa mga short videos ko guys. Usually ang mga contents natin are DIY projects. So meron na tayo nagawa before sa aking beads and natag ko yung mga chunky letters and other materials regarding dito sa video na to. And I want to show you how is the process of tagging the product. So for example, ito, the Nature Coffee, and sa mga materials ko dito, I use photo paper, photo top, scissors, and etc. So, naisip ko itag yung photo paper because ito yung pinaka-main material na ginamit ko dito sa project na to. So ayan, you can tag products, at least 60 products. You can earn a commission via clicks of the product or if the seller check out your product na nakatag sa iyong videos. So as you can see, 45 products ang tinag ko dito guys. Then balikan natin kung paano siya maglilitaw sa iyong videos. And guys, after ko tinag ang product, makikita mo earn commission. If you want to check, punta ka lang sa dashboard and ayan, for now, 0 pa rin ang ating commission. And I just give you some updates if kumita na tayo sa ating commissions. And I've tried to view it via desktop, so ito ang lilitaw. Dun sa pinakailalim ng ating videos or content, meron nakalagay na view products. And if someone are interested, they can click the view products. Then it will direct to the brand or to the shopping online. So guys, I'm just sharing this spacing from my own experience. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!